Welcome to our video on writing a compelling grant proposal. Crafting a successful proposal involves several essential components that need to be clear, concise, and persuasive to convince funders to support your project. Let's walk through the key elements of a grant proposal: an abstract, statement of need, project description, budget, and evaluation plan. We'll also provide tips for writing effectively and show you how to use your funding tracking document to save and organize your responses. Let's start by breaking down the essential components of a grant proposal. 1. Abstract. The abstract is a brief summary of your proposal, usually no more than 250 to 300 words. It should include the main objectives, the methods you will use, and the expected outcomes. Write the abstract last, after you have completed the rest of your proposal, to ensure it accurately reflects the content. 2. Statement of need. This section explains why your project is important and what specific problem or need it addresses. Use data and evidence to support your claims and show the significance of your project. Be specific and use compelling language to highlight the urgency and importance of your project. 3. Project description. Here, you provide a detailed description of your project, including the goals, objectives, activities, and timeline. Explain how you plan to implement your project and what resources you will need. Use clear and concise language and make sure your objectives are measurable and achievable. 4. Budget. The budget outlines the financial aspects of your project, detailing how the funds will be allocated. Include all relevant expenses such as materials, travel, and personnel costs. Ensure your budget is realistic and justifiable. Provide a budget narrative to explain each item and how it contributes to the project. 5. Evaluation. This section describes how you will measure the success of your project. Outline the methods you will use to evaluate your progress and the impact of your project. Tip: use both qualitative and quantitative measures to provide a comprehensive evaluation plan. Writing clearly and persuasively is crucial for making your proposal stand out. Use active voice, avoid jargon, and keep your sentences concise. Make sure your proposal is well organized and easy to follow. Let's also talk about how to use your funding tracking document effectively. This document can help you keep track of your responses and ensure consistency across different grant applications. By saving your responses in one place, you can easily tailor and reuse them for future proposals. Next, move on to the activity to help you get started on your proposal.